Hello my dear students, today we will start our next chapter, chapter 4, working with queries in MS Access. Firstly, you have done how to create a table in MS Access. Now we will move further. After creating a table, how you can find out the data from the database through a query. तो query is just a questions, जैसे हम आपको बाद में after videos we at the last of the videos we generally say if you are having any query you can post it on my WhatsApp. So similarly, when you have some query, you want to find out some query from the database, then you have to write down there and it will find the answer of your query from the whole database and it will give you the result as a output. So what is the query? Query, it is a simple question that one asks to find a specific information from a database. तो डेटाबेस में से जब कोई क्वेश्चन करते हैं डेटाबेस में से कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन गेट करने के लिए, दैट इज़ नोन एज द क्वेरी. So this is the definition of the query. That is a simple question that one asks to find a specific information from a database. For example, I am taking example. All the time I have taken the example of your DPS database, DPS school database. So similarly, when a teacher wants to get the name of the students who got 85 marks in the maths या any other subjects, so there is a database of the whole DPS students and from that when we will give this query, then it will give out the answer. It will give us the name of the students who are getting 85 marks in the maths. So by this you will get the so this is your query and it will give you the output. Similarly, next query is we want to name the students who live in हुड्डा. जो बच्चे हुड्डा में रहते हैं हमें सिर्फ उन्हीं बच्चों का नेम चाहिए. Then it will find from the address sections, it will pick the records of only that students who are living in Hudda, and from that records it will take out the only column, that is the name column, and after that it will give you the output. So this is the query. So in general, query is just a questions which we do to the database and it gives us the answer. So this is the query, and how we can create a query, that I will tell you in my practical session. After this I will send you the video of, this is my small video, and after that I will send you the video of the practical session. In that you can see how we can create a query and how we can get our answer. So I think this is clear to you what is query. I have told you that database is a combination of the tables, and tables are in the form of the rows and column. For example, we have taken the two tables in a database, that is table 1 and the table 2. In the table 1 there are 4 fields. One is the roll number, next class, next address, next is city. This table is for the information of a child. Now next table is used for the marks of the students of the class. This is the roll number, percent and the grade. One roll number is getting 90%, second roll number 70%, third roll number 49%, and these are their grades. And this is the table 1 in which the information of the students is written, and in this table the marks regarding to the students is written. So whenever we want the information, if we are using this table 2, and we are getting here roll number 2 is getting 70% marks and his grade is 2, and the principal wants to send principal wants to send the congratulate message, yeah, he wants to send the congratulate letter to at his house. So how he can send? He needs his address, and that address in the table 1. So there will be the relationship between the table 1 and the table 2, so that table 2 data can use the data of the table 1. So we have to create the relationship between two tables. So this table can use the data of this and this table can use the data of this. For using the data with each other, we have to create a relationship. And how we can create a relationship between the two tables like this. सबसे पहले you will go in the database tools, जो आपके ऊपर आपके यहाँ पे आप whenever you will open the MS Access, there will be a database tool, and in database tool, whenever you will go in the database tool, you will click on this, then in this tab, then you will get a relationship. You will see there is a button, that is the relationship button. After clicking on the relationship button, it will show you the show table box. There will be a table box will open, show table box. In show table box, it will show the name of these two tables. So you will click on the table 1, and at the bottom you will click on add. Then again you will click on table 2, then you will add the table 2, and after that you will close this. So whenever you will perform this function, then these two tables will be opened there. Then these two tables will be opened there like this. This will show like this two tables. The field name of these two table will be shown like this. Now you have to create a relationship. You will click here on this button, primary key on the of this table. You can only create a relationship between the two tables when there is a one field that is common to both table. Here is the roll number and here is the roll number. So then one field is common between these two tables. Whenever it exists, then you can create a relationship. Otherwise you cannot create a relationship. So this is the primary key for this table, and this is the primary key for this table. But whenever you are creating a relationship, then this is called the primary key for this table, and this is called the foreign key for the other table. तो जो एक में प्राइमरी की हो और सेम फील्ड दूसरी में फॉरेन की का काम करता है, उसको हम क्या बोलते, दैट इज़ नोन एज द फॉरेन. क्लियरली. तो दोनों में की जो प्राइमरी की सेम है. अब हम यहाँ पर क्लिक करेंगे और यहाँ से ये रोल नंबर को ड्रैग करते हुए जाएंगे और यहाँ पर आकर हम ड्रॉप कर देंगे. whenever you will do this drag and drop, then you will see, after that you will see there is a line exists between these two tables like this. Whenever this line exists, it means it has created a relationship between these two tables. So I will show this through the practical session. After this you can see how you can create a relationship between the practical through my laptop. So let's come with me and be ready for the practical session. In my next video I will send you the practical of this.